Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Crypto markets are witnessing a classic capitulation to accumulation pivot. Tron's native token, TRX, has stabilized following a brutal 16% slide, driven by strategic intervention from Tron Incorporated. The entity has aggressively accumulated 150,742 tokens, signaling confidence in the network's long-term viability. This accumulation occurs against a backdrop of immense liquidity, with the Tron network currently hosting $90 billion in USDT. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is testing critical support at $64,656. Traders are watching this level closely. A break below could trigger further downside, while a hold here might signal the bottom for the broader digital asset complex. In equity markets, Netflix faces a pivotal strategic crossroads. Shares have plummeted to a 52-week low, marking a devastating 40% annual decline. The question on every analyst's desk is capital allocation. Seeking Alpha contributors Stephen Mollis, Oliver Rodzianko, and Alina Silianska are debating whether the streaming giant should pursue mergers and acquisitions to secure content dominance or focus on share repurchases to maximize shareholder value in 2026. The stock's weakness reflects broader concerns about subscriber growth saturation and rising content costs. Investors are waiting for management to clarify its path forward, as the current valuation suggests significant pessimism is already priced in. On the macro front, geopolitical tensions are escalating rapidly. Kazakhstan has slashed oil production after drone strikes hit the Novorossiysk terminal. This attack has disrupted 80% of Kazakhstan's crude exports to global markets, creating an immediate supply shock in the energy sector. The incident highlights the fragility of logistics routes and the potential for sudden price spikes in Brent and WTI crude. Simultaneously, diplomatic efforts are intensifying in the Middle East. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres, during a visit to Damascus, has urged the immediate and total removal of sanctions on Syria. Guterres cited a staggering $216 billion in reconstruction needs, arguing that economic reboot is essential for post-war stability. This call for sanctions relief could reshape regional trade dynamics and open new avenues for international investment, though implementation remains highly uncertain. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet with no major high-impact data points scheduled in the next 36 hours. This lack of fundamental catalysts means markets will likely remain range-bound, driven more by technical levels and geopolitical headlines than by economic data. Traders should monitor the $64,656 Bitcoin support and the Novorossiysk supply disruption for directional cues. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.